She blanked the meeting because her car broke down. Is it A, missed, B, forgot, or C, left? The correct answer is A, missed. She missed the meeting because her car broke down. They blank a new restaurant downtown last weekend. Is it A, discovery, B, created, or C, borrow? The correct answer is A, discover. They discover a new restaurant downtown last weekend. He blank his phone while running to catch the bus. Is it A, dropped, B, carried, or C, fixed? The correct answer is A, dropped. He dropped his phone while running to catch the bus. We blanked the movie until the very end. Is it A, enjoyed, B, solved, or C, painted? The correct answer is A, enjoyed. She blanked calm even during the difficult. Is it A, stay, B, stood, or C, stayed? The correct answer is C, stayed. She stayed calm even after a difficult situation. We blanked the project before the deadline. Is it A, organized, B, invented, or C, completed? The correct answer is C, completed. We completed the project before the deadline. He blank everyone with his presentation skills. Is it A, surprised, B, impressed, or C, affected? The correct answer is B, impressed. Don't stop now. Keep going. The teacher blanked the importance of clear communication. Is it A, explained, B, described, or C, expressed? The correct answer is C, expressed. The teacher expressed the importance of communication. She blank responsibility for the mistake immediately. Is it A, took, B, made, or C, does? The correct answer is A, took. They blank significant progress within a few months. Is it A, moved, B, made, or C, ran? The correct answer is B, made. They made significant progress within a few months.